This is a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. Complaint is the chirping noise. Take a listen. Let me know below in the comments if you guys have experienced this one, or any of your friends experienced a noise like this with their 1500. I would like to get to the bottom of this thing because it is driving me nuts. I think this is the third visit that I cannot really confirm what's making the noise. I do not want to just go ahead and throw parts in it, because they have already replaced the torque converter, the flywheel, whoever diagnosed it for them. But I'm not going to put new parts in it unless I'm sure.